Welcome guys, my name is Michael and this is Life Game Design, a system to help you design life into a game that you're addicted to playing. I'm going to show you how to design your day like a game in less than 10 minutes and I will just let the template do the talking. So let's go into the mini games, let's select design, and let's go into today design. So this is what we're doing. We're designing a day that we're excited to play, and it's broken into 4 key stages: rewind, align, design, and review. So now that we got that going, let's start the game and design the perfect day. So like I said, we need to manage our overdue projects because last night we probably pulled an all-nighter doing our uni assignment and we forgot to log into Life Game Design and set it to achieved. So let's quickly do that with these easy buttons. I can set this to achieved and my chest workout that I did also to achieved. Boom, that's done. Now let's go on to actually just celebrating our recent achievements. And this is something that I picked up from one of my favorite YouTubers, Ali Abdul, where he says that we should celebrate our achievements frequently, but literally no one has a system to do that because most project managers are built like corporate slave systems. We're just supposed to complete projects and projects and projects, and we're never supposed to review how well we did. So this is why Life Game Design is built like a game that you can celebrate your achievements in. The whole point is to gain achievements, celebrate them, and earn more. So there's a few ways we do that. If we open the achievements mini guide, we can learn more about achievements, and you'll understand that all completed projects turn into achievements. And we use achievements and a system that I call OctaCore to show progress in all of our life areas. Let's quickly look at what OctaCore looks like when you have it stacked. So my goal for this season of my life is to learn more in intelligence and to transform my physical health in strength, specifically with weightlifting. So I can see here that I am on track towards my goals, and the other things that I have in life are just on the back burner. They're at maintenance, so I don't have to worry that they're going to completely crumble. And I know that I'm doing exactly what I need to be doing. Your OctaCore score will reflect your objective results in all of these key life areas. And we're going to learn the system through play because it's not something you're supposed to study. It's something that you're supposed to experience through playing life. But the really cool thing about it is just by managing your projects, you instantly get feedback as to how the design of your life is going by looking at this chart. So I can see, especially in attachment, I've had date nights, I celebrated my friend's birthday, I've had a family dinner, but there's not as much achievements in spending time with close ones in attachment as there is in all these other things. So maybe that means I need to flip my priority from doing things in experience, which is like leisure by myself, to attachment, which is spending time with the people that I love. So OctaCore gives you these instant insights just by the process of organizing your projects during the day. And let's see how we level them up. We've got one more thing to look at, which is the tier list, which is a list of all your amazing achievements. So every achievement starts at bronze, and then it goes up to silver, gold, and diamond. And diamond are your most memorable achievements in your whole life. And these are the things that should inspire you to want to do more and more and more things. So like a trip to Japan or Korea, doing a huge deadlift PR or a bicep curl PR, all of these things represent how fulfilling a life you've had, and we can add more. And that's the whole point of playing the game of life. So now that we've celebrated our achievements, let's go to the upgrade section that you will actually get in this free version of the day design game. So first we're going to open the OctaCore mini guide, because what we're going to do is choose upgrades to all of these different life areas, and we're going to add them to today's projects. So if we go to the OctaCore mini guide, it will tell us we're not supposed to try and remember OctaCore. We're just going to complete projects and learn through play. So OctaCore is split into 2 categories of 4 essential attributes and 4 elevating attributes. You'll understand why, because essential attributes adds huge impact to our life. These are things like our physical and mental health, our closest relationship like family, romance, and our best friends, and career and work. While improving elevating attributes will make life more enjoyable. These are things like lifestyle, your possessions and admin, leisure and friends, creative expression, and learning and finance. Here's a really quick insight that will help you understand why there are 8 areas of life and why they are essential and elevating. I wrote a newsletter recently to my audience saying that money will make you happy, and people who say that money won't make you happy are lying, because those are the people who are generally rich. And the reason is because intelligence is under learning and finance, which is an elevating attribute, and people use money, they use an elevating thing to upgrade the essential parts of life. They do things like go on trips with their loved ones, or fix their mental health with therapy if they have money, and all these other things. They apply elevating attributes to their essential attributes. But more on that later. Let's go discover how to actually upgrade these stats. And when you play this, you're only going to choose one upgrade when you do this, because you won't know OctaCore and it's going to feel super overwhelming. But what you're going to do is you're going to choose between whatever life area sounds like, oh yeah, that's my goal. So if you're an artist, you're like, oh, creativity, boom, that's my goal. I'm going to go into creativity. I'm going to be like, oh, I create art. I'm going to practice my skills and choose that as an upgrade, and it will instantly add here. And if you scroll down, you'll see that it's added to today's projects. So if I wanted to upgrade an essential thing, like how I would do, I would probably go and upgrade my strength through doing an exercise or doing a full workout. I think that's me. So I'm going to add that. I'm going to do a chest exercise today, and it automatically adds the date and sets the status to actioning. So now my upgrades are done. I have added upgrades, and now let's design. So we've got today's projects, and I'm just going to speed run the rest of it because most of our day design is pretty much done. We've cleared what we need to do. We're going to practice our creative skills. We're going to go weightlifting. And I've also got this 65 kg bench press that I've been wanting to do for a while. So our day design is pretty much done, but here's something really cool, especially that you can see there's a 65 kg bench press that's a part of this bigger 100 kg bench press goal. And if I open this, you can see where I've made increments to this goal, because the whole point of life game design is to break your big goals into smaller sub projects that also turn into achievements. So you can see I'm going to hit 65 kg today. Let's just say that's focusing. And then next is 70 and 75. So I work my way up to in increments up to this big goal of 100 kg. And I can see my progress bar over here. So if I add that to achieved, I can see that this goes up. So I can see my progress instantly visualized. So now that we've got today's projects, let's select a highlight for today. So since we've designed them, we can click here and it will take us to the highlight page. Now, all we have to do here is select a highlight for today. And if we hadn't done that yet, what a highlight is a project that we choose to represent the day. Highlights don't have to always be productive. It's about what is fulfilling. Things like birthdays, movies, milestones, these are all highlights. So based on this, let's select one from over here, and we can use these buttons to select these things. Now, automatically, day design will be added as a highlight because it's a really important thing to do each day. And the next one is obviously this 65 kilo bench press, and we're going to add this to gold achievement. And now we've got our day based around this one goal of hitting that 65 kg bench press. So now that we've set our highlights, let's continue to optionally doing our tasks. And this is something that you don't really have to do, but it's nice to do if you've had like a backlog of tasks that you haven't done. You can keep up with that, but for this tutorial, we don't need to worry about that. Tasks are optional, but here is the thick of it. We've got our day dashboard. So now we can appreciate today's projects and today's highlights, and we can also see any tasks that we have today at the bottom. And after that, we want to share a screenshot to our community, just showing that we're keeping accountable to the goals that we set ourselves and getting some support from them. And we've also got at the bottom here some more tabs for extra organization. We can easily change the status of these things, the priority, and the time of day that we're going to do these things. And you've got the same with tasks down here. So that is it. Our day design is done. And if we want to unlock the next game, which is doing week designs, we can do that with Life Game Design Ultra. But if you want to download this template for free right now, you can hit it and experience what it's like to design your day like a game that you're excited to play. My name is Michael, and thank you guys so much for joining me.